what it is. I know music. Let go. Niggas say I fell long, and I ain't went hard since 16. All I can really say is what the fuck these niggas mean. Niggas been sleeping on me like I'm the boring part. It's time to wake you niggas up. Alarm clocks, hello, good morning, hello, good morning. Now excuse me while I light up and take a sip from this white cup. I'ma watch it from these two niggas in that apple bitch, they time's up. 100 grand say I'm the man, boy, all you gotta do is sign up. Every verse I run it back like I'm a damn rewind button. Let's go back, rewind son, I run the whole Arsenio. First nigga in the city with a fucking video. Y'all niggas just a bag of shit, cause I ain't really what's happening. Had hoes spread his way every time I rap that jazzy beat. I'm the past, future, present nigga. And boy, I go hard, no erection nigga. Yeah, I'm the greatest bitch, perfection nigga. And you know I spit poison, get affected nigga. Now that I'm back, the world won't remember you. Annihilate your whole being and dismember you. Shitting on you boys like I had an enema. Putting periods on you niggas cause that's the end of you. Trey D, I swear to God, this the year. It's a wrap for you niggas. Christmas gifts, be what it is. Y'all niggas never was. Eternal is the only team winning. Duh, money is like music to my ears. C-note, catch your ass slipping, get Jackson Tito. Take a nigga up through there, ski-bo. You don't like me, then nigga, fuck you. C-Lo, pockets on Frankie Lee, looking like the green team. Causing nightmares for your dream team. All black hoops, got sort of a panther look. Got these niggas scared for their life, I'm talking cancer shook. Paper touch my palms like the hands I shook. Bitch, I swear I'm fly like the hoof on Prancer's foot. I'm in the game, bitch, no play vision. Screaming fuck these niggas, no gay symptoms. Any one of you niggas could get a headshot. I keep the scope and the tone. Red dot, Fredro stay rolling good, I swear keep me whizzed out. My nigga from day one, Mr. Always at your big time. What's up, BJ and Coda? Shout out my lil niggas. What's up, Money and J Dub? Shout out my lil missus. No office cubicle, but bitch, I'm the business. Put a tie around my dick and told your bitch get down to business. I know it, I float, no ocean. Every verse I say today, I'm feeling so heroic. This shit is historic, now you look like a chorus. Head, bitch, I swear I could burn a forest. It's me, bitch, a motherfucking beast, bitch. You already know I'm the shit. Pieces, I got 100 for whoever wanna see me. And I ain't talking albums when I say that y'all can see these. Bitch, I been flame, whole house under fire, nigga. Fireman, water hose flow. I just put out you niggas. I'm back in this bitch. It's time to out you niggas. Y'all trash can garbage. I just groused you niggas. I murder everything I get on. Serial killer. And bitch, I'm trying to stay on track like serial numbers. I don't see none of you niggas. Blind man. Gotta ask God for forgiveness. Oh man. These bitch ass niggas just seem to bring the devil out me. Getting lost on you niggas like they never found me. You know ain't no one better, bitch. Getting cheesed the long way. Mozzarella sticks. I'm taking the game like a flag after it's been captured. I'm a dog on the mic, really hard if you spell it backwards. 100 rounds just tilt these niggas. Somebody call the coroner, cause I just killed these niggas.